The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. These Vietnamese grilled lemongrass spareribs are a masterclass in the country's love affair with caramel sauce. Pork ribs are marinated in a fragrant paste of pounded lemongrass, shallots, garlic, and chili, bound together with a deep, smoky-sweet Vietnamese caramel sauce known as en zit si mao yu, then oven-baked and broiled until the edges char and the meat turns impossibly tender. The caramel, darker and more bittersweet than any dessert caramel, is what sets this dish apart, coating each rib in a glossy, burnished glaze that tastes of woodsmoke, molasses, and the faintest hint of bitterness. This is street food at its most soulful, sticky fingers guaranteed, napkins essential. Main ingredient: pork spare ribs, cut into individual ribs, 2 1/4 pounds. Vietnamese caramel sauce, sugar, 1 cup, water, divided, 3/4 cup, marinade, lemongrass, thick bottom part only, outer layers discarded, inner part minced, 2 stalks, shallots, 3, garlic, 4 cloves, finger-length red chili, deseeded, 1, brown sugar, 2 tablespoons, freshly ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon, Vietnamese caramel sauce, 3 tablespoons, soy sauce, 1 tablespoon, fish sauce, 3 tablespoons, cooking oil, 2 tablespoons. For serving, sliced cucumber or pickled vegetables, as desired. Fresh herbs, as desired. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. Make the Vietnamese caramel sauce. 1. Set up your station. Select a small, heavy saucepan. Enameled cast iron is ideal. Fill your sink with enough cold water to come halfway up the sides of the saucepan. You will need to act quickly once the caramel reaches the right color, so have everything ready. 2. Dissolve the sugar. Place 1/4 cup of the water and all the sugar in the saucepan over medium-low heat. Stir continuously with a metal spoon to ensure the sugar melts evenly. After about 2 minutes, once the sugar is relatively smooth, stop stirring and let the mixture cook undisturbed. 3. Watch the color transform. Small bubbles will form at the edges and grow larger, migrating toward the center. After approximately 7 minutes, the bubbles will cover the entire surface and the liquid will be completely clear. The color will then progress from light yellow to a handsome auburn, and finally to a dark coffee brown, darker than a dessert caramel. This darker stage is what gives Vietnamese caramel sauce its signature smoky, bittersweet depth. 4. Stop the cooking. The moment the bubbles turn deep orange and the caramel resembles black coffee, immediately plunge the entire pot into the sink of cold water to halt the cooking. Rotate the pot to check the color and consistency. 5. Thin the sauce. Carefully add the remaining 1/2 cup of water and wait for the bubbling to subside. Return the pan to the stove over medium heat and stir until the caramel dissolves into the water. Remove from the heat and let cool for 10 minutes. The result should be a slightly viscous, bittersweet dark liquid. Store indefinitely in a sealed jar in the cupboard. Prepare the marinade. 6. Grind the aromatics. Place the lemongrass, thick bottom part only, outer layers discarded, inner part sliced, shallots, garlic, and deseeded red chili in a blender or food processor. Grind to a smooth, fragrant paste. 7. Combine with the caramel, transfer the paste to a large mixing bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of the prepared caramel sauce, brown sugar, black pepper, soy sauce, fish sauce, and cooking oil. Mix thoroughly until all the ingredients are well incorporated into a dark, aromatic marinade. Marinate the ribs. 8. Prep the ribs. Remove the thick white membrane from the underside of the spare ribs. Cut the strips between the bones into individual rib chunks, each containing 1 bone. 9. Coat and marinate. Pour the marinade over the ribs and spread evenly with your fingers, massaging the paste into every surface until each rib is thoroughly coated. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for at least 1 hour, or ideally overnight for deeper flavor penetration. Cooking steps. Bake and broil 10. Preheat the oven. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with aluminum foil for easy cleanup. 111. Bake the ribs. Arrange the marinated ribs in a single layer on the foil-lined baking sheet, reserving any leftover marinade for basting. Bake in the oven for about 20 minutes, turning the ribs over once halfway through until they are partially cooked and beginning to take on color. 12. Broil to char. Turn on the broiler. Grill the ribs for an additional 5 minutes on each side, basting frequently with the reserved marinade until the ribs are well browned with beautiful charred edges and a glossy caramelized surface. 13. Serve immediately. Remove the ribs from the oven and transfer to a serving platter. Serve right away while hot and sticky, garnished with sliced cucumber or pickled vegetables and fresh herbs if desired. Tips and notes. The caramel sauce is the soul of this dish. Vietnamese nisi mao is not the same as dessert caramel. It is cooked significantly darker, approaching the color of black coffee, which gives it a bittersweet, smoky character that dessert caramel lacks. Do not be afraid of the dark color. This is intentional and essential to the authentic flavor. Safety when making caramel. The sugar reaches very high temperatures. Have your cold water bath ready before you begin and never touch the hot caramel. If the caramel turns completely black, it is burned and is irretrievable. Discard and start over. Lemongrass preparation. Use only the thick, pale bottom portion of the stalk. Peel away the tough outer layers until you reach the tender inner core. Mince finely or grind in a blender. The finer the paste, the better it clings to the meat during cooking. Grill alternative. For an even more authentic char, cook the ribs over a medium charcoal fire on an outdoor grill for 12 to 15 minutes, turning frequently and basting with the marinade until browned and slightly charred on the edges. Make ahead. The caramel sauce can be prepared well in advance and stored indefinitely in a sealed jar at room temperature. The ribs can be marinated up to 24 hours ahead. The longer the marination, the deeper the flavor. Leftover caramel sauce. Any extra NC mao can be used in other Vietnamese braises, marinades, or to add depth to stir-fries. A tablespoon or two transforms a simple braise into something deeply flavored.